day. Happy New Week. Welcome to another trading section, our session. I remain your trader, FXxComrade. So let's go into our good analysis. Over the weekend, I market some reaction zone, which is 4 hours reaction zone. So here where we see price reacted over here, I mark it out. Here also, we see price reaction here, and I marked it out. I marked the place out also. So I did the top down analysis already. So now from daily time frame. So this brown line you are seeing, it's me drawing this fib from here. I drew my fib from here to here. I marked out this area. Then 4 hours. This is my 4 hours over here. That's my 50 minutes. So this is what I did. So we see price reacting in this zone. Price reacting in this zone. And this zone. Yes, this is my 4 hours reaction zone. Then this 5,000 price level. This 5,000 price level being marked out. So what are we expecting? Yes, I was expecting a retracement in this area. Then after a retracement, see an impulse move, impulse leg out of this 5,000 price area. Then once we see that, then we want to move into this. Our next target will be here. Our next target will be so our next target will be here. Want to see price come to this area, but before price come to this area, we are expecting an order block to happen. Bullish order block, that's bullish engulfing candle happen here. So after this bullish engulfing candle happens in this area, then we will target this region. So it's very simple. We are not trading anything hard. So we are making our analysis as simple as possible. As simple as possible. So we see that price has break out of this region already. Then we see a retracement. Then we're expecting an impulse leg to come and fill this double top. Then we are still for the week, we are still going to this region, but that's not a topic for now. Our area of focus is how price will move from 5,000 price area to 5,100 price area. So that's just it. We just keep it simple. Keep it simple. That's just the analysis for now. So at the end of the day, I will drop this main signal on my signal group on Telegram. So if you are not there, check the description below. You will see the link to join. So make sure you subscribe, make sure you share, so that you don't miss out on anything I'm posting and you don't miss out on trade analysis. Then make sure you join my Telegram group so that we can make money together on Telegram channel, because I'll be dropping the main signal when our confirmation is done and is ready for us to milk the market. So keep it simple, keep it safe, and make sure you always apply proper risk management. Don't risk it all. Just take a certain percentage from your capital and risk it. That 1%, 2%, 3%. Just risk it, but never risk it all on one trade. See you at the end of the trade.